Let's learn how to reset your For You page on TikTok. This can be done in just a few steps and is quite simple. If you want to follow all the steps to do this, stay until the end of the video. The first thing you need to do is check if your TikTok is updated. To do this, go to the App Store. When the App Store opens, click on the option in the bottom right corner, which is the search option. When you click on that option, the search page will open. Type in TikTok, and a page with the TikTok app will appear. If the button next to it says Open, then your app is updated. If it says Update, click on it and wait a bit. Once you're sure your TikTok is updated, open TikTok by clicking on Open. When TikTok opens, click on the Profile option located in the bottom right corner. When you click on the Profile option, a page with your profile will open. In the top right corner of that page, you will see 3 horizontal lines. Click on them. When you click on the 3 horizontal lines, a menu with 4 options will open. From these options, click on the one at the bottom, which is Settings and Privacy. When you click on that option, a page with many options will open. From all these options, scroll down a bit and click on Content Preferences. When you click on that option, a page with 5 options will open. Click on the 4th option, which is Refresh Your For You feed. When you click on it, a page with a red Continue button will open. Click on that button, and a confirmation option will pop up asking if you want to do this. If you want to, click on the Refresh button. After clicking it, just reopen TikTok. And that's how you successfully reset your TikTok For You page. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.